Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make seafood soup using an easy method. First, let's gather all the fresh ingredients you'll need for this delightful dish. Select a variety of your favorite seafood, like succulent shrimp, tender scallops, and a firm white fish such as cod or snapper. Don't forget your aromatic vegetables and a good quality broth to form the perfect base. Now let's build that incredible flavor base. In a large pot, sauté your chopped onions, garlic, and celery until they are wonderfully fragrant and softened. Next, stir in some diced tomatoes and a small amount of tomato paste to deepen the color and taste. Pour in your chicken or vegetable broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and season generously. With your flavorful base simmering, it's time for the stars of the show, the seafood. Add your firm white fish first, letting it cook for a few minutes. Then, gently introduce the shrimp and scallops as they cook quite quickly. Continue to simmer until all the seafood is opaque and tender, being careful not to overcook it, which can make it tough. Almost ready. Just before serving, stir in a generous amount of fresh parsley or cilantro to brighten the flavors. Taste and adjust any seasonings, adding more salt or pepper if needed. Ladle your hot, aromatic seafood soup into bowls. It pairs wonderfully with some crusty bread or a light side salad. Enjoy your easy and delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.